Hi everybody, my name is Joanna Trujillo. I'm going to be going over the Math Journal daily routine. I chose the Math Journal because it is something that I have seen in a few different classes. I'm a substitute teacher and I I like them just because it kind of gives me an idea of where the students are when we do them. Generally, the teachers have me do the math journals at the start of the math lesson, and it's just basically a review of what they've learned the day before or just prior to what we're going to be studying that day. It um, it reviews their prior knowledge, but it also helps get them ready for what's coming because what what we work on that day generally correlates to what they did in their math journal. So the math journals, I've seen them done a few different ways. The primary one that I've seen is the composition notebooks, those black and white notebooks, and they're usually the ones that have the top half are just blank, and then the bottom half is lined paper, so they can write it out, show their work and stuff. But I've also seen them done in regular kind of notebooks like these, and depending on the teacher, sometimes students are writing out their work. Other times, well, it's actually just one class I've seen where the teacher creates worksheets herself, or I don't know. For all I know, maybe she finds them, but then she has the students work on those, and then she'll cut them out and she has them glue it um, to their math journal. So for my example, I just kind of did a quick little word problem. It allows they write out the problems and then they solve it, and generally the students will explain how they got to their answer. I did it in pen just so it's a little bit more visible. So sometimes it might just be stacked right on top. Other times they break it down, the 40 plus the 6 and the 20 plus 3. And then there's those who might just use, the lines to represent the 10 and the single little dots. So the math journal just kind of gives the students a way to explain what they're doing, how they reach their answers, and then yeah. So the the state standard that the math journals meet of, in my opinion, it can work for any grade. It meets the operations and algebraic math standard, the OA, and depending on the grade, it might be the K point OA. First it's 1, 2, 3, going through. But yeah, so that's my video, my little daily routine, and I hope it helped you guys. Thanks.